The news on NBC6 at 6 starts now.
Well, Hollywood police are now investigating a 12th death, another resident of the Hollywood Hills nursing home where Hurricane Irma knocked out power to the air conditioning.
But the Broward medical examiner has yet to rule on exactly what killed any of them. NBC6 investigator Tony Pipitone is live in the newsroom with the latest for us. Tony.
Yeah, it's been more than 2 weeks since the rehabilitation center at Hollywood Hills was evacuated after several residents died in intense heat. Within 12 hours, 8 were dead. Now there are 12, as 57-year-old Dolores Biamonte died last night. But what no one has said officially yet, whether any of the deaths were caused by the heat and whether the manner of death was homicide. Those determinations will be made here at the Broward County Medical Examiner's office, where the latest autopsy was underway today. No decision will be made, at least until toxicology results are completed. And that can take weeks, but Hollywood police are treating this as a homicide investigation. And if the ME finds any of the deaths were indeed homicide, prosecutors will have to decide if anyone should be charged criminally.
That's going to be very important to us.
Last week, the head of Florida's healthcare agency said what happened here was gross criminal recklessness. And now he's using the events to go after the license of this Southwest Dade assisted living facility, citing common ownership between the Floridian Gardens ALF and the nursing home in Hollywood Hills. The state is renewing its effort to yank the license of the 180-bed ALF, just as it did to the Hollywood Hills nursing home. Among the shortfalls claimed by ACA, problems with medication handling, proper care, staffing levels, and training. Now, an attorney for Floridian Gardens ALF called the state's sanctions completely unwarranted and not supported by facts or law that would allow for such actions by ACA. We look forward to our day in court, he said. And they will have that day in court. Before the state can shut down the ALF, the owners are also fighting the emergency suspension of the nursing home's license in court in Tallahassee. But for now, the ALF will remain open and the Hollywood Hills nursing home closed pending court actions. Reporting live in the newsroom, Tony Pipitone, NBC6 News. We'll be right back.